So here's the motherboard, and this piece right here has cracked, and so what I want to do is pull this motherboard out, and I'm going to solder a new one, or at least attempt to solder a new one on there. Now what I've done is I've taken a couple pictures of this motherboard to make sure I can remember where all of the cables connect into and have a clear picture of it. At this point I'm just going to unplug everything and remove it. So a couple things about removing it. Remove two hex heads, one here and one right down here. They're a 5/16, and then you can see that when it comes to the motherboard, I'm going to lift the motherboard up to get those plastic pegs out of the hole, and you'll have to take the display off first as well, which just pulls straight out. So we have the board out, and I have my replacement part right there. I have my soldering iron right there, my flux right there, and my plunger right here. And now to do this, we need to undo right here, these 2 points right there and right there. So you turn this on, and then you heat this up, and when it's heated up, you take your plunger, and when it's heated up, you suck up melted flux. Initially set the iron here at 400 degrees, shouldn't take too long to warm up. And then we're going to touch it there and suck it up. So that soldering iron was not able to get hot enough to melt that because of the 2 plates. So I did get a heavy duty one, which is substantially more powerful, and this should be able to take it off. So I'm just going to heat it up and then pop those 2 out. Heavy duty gun did it, so I pulled out the old one, and then in making the holes large enough, stuck the new one in. And come to the back here, and we will solder those into place, and that should finish it. So there's an incredibly sloppy job, but I think it did the trick. Let's see if it works.